All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to make this drawing 2. All right, so I have the dimensions right here. You should have them on your paper. We are going to start with a sketch on the vertical surface this time. All right, so I'm going to start with a sketch right there, and I am going to outline this outer edge. All right, so I'm going to use the line tool, and I'm going to um, start down here and go up. I'm going to go up 3 inches. Okay. So I'll scroll out a little bit and bring it down. All right. Then I'm going to go over 2 inches. So how I do that is click, and now I'm going to go over and press 2. All right. Click. And now I'm going to go down. And if I look at this, I'm going to go down 1 inch. Then I'm going to go over 1 inch. Click. Down 1 inch and over 1 inch. All right. So if I look at this, I should see that I am up 3, over 2, down 1, over 1, down 2, over 3. All right, which corresponds with my drawing where I go up 3, over 2. All right, even though it doesn't explicitly say down 1, I know if the overall is 3 and this is 2, this is 1. And this way, if the overall is 3 and this is 2, this is 1. All right. So I'm going to finish my sketch. Okay. Now I am going to extrude this. So I look at my depths and I see that my extrusion, so E for extrusion, is going to come out. Well, we can go either way. All right. So 0.75, 0.75. Okay. So that's our first step. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sketch on this surface. All right. And I'm going to do a line tool again. All right. So I'm going to take this, go over to 1. Okay. Go down. All right. And if you ever have trouble seeing it, you can always rotate it a little bit. All right. Occasionally that happens, that you lose the line. So I'm going to restart. All right. So I'm going to go down here to 3. And then I'm going to go over here. Then I'm going to go up to 1. And then I'm going to go over to 2. And then I'm going to go up to 1. And then I'm going to go over to 2. All right, so the goal is that you have this shape. Now, that was a little funky, so we're going to make sure we have these lines, because we want to make sure these things show up. All right, so if we finish our sketch, we should see this highlight. Okay, and then we're going to hit extrude and click this and pull it out to 0.75. All right, so we're done. So we have this, we have this, we have this. If you wanted to turn off the canvas, we can turn that off now, and now we have our shape. All right, next what we're going to do is we're going to save it as drawing 2, and I'm going to say .1 because I've already done it once. All right, then we are going to go to drawing from design, we are going to switch our sheet size to A. Okay. We are going to bring in our shape. Click OK. Then we are going to click, come over, click, click, enter, double click, shaded. All right, so now we have our stuff. So now what we want to do is we want to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dimensions. We do not want to over dimension. We want to have exactly 8 dimensions, 3 widths, 3 heights, 2 depths. So it's going to look like that. So how do we do it? We go up here to dimension and you start clicking. Click, move it up and click, 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 move it up, click, 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 move it down, click. Move it over, click, and then finally that. Now then we do our depths, so here to here, and click, click, click. All right, so that's what we should be looking at. You would see that it's created by your name, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dimensions. That's done. Now take a snip of it and submit.